sun or in the snow, we can feel the excitement growing, knowing it's the greatest time of year, and it's here. Help me say.
Hello my loves, today I have a magical video for you guys. It is DIY Harry Potter ornaments. Now I made a cute little Harry Potter tree for myself in my bedroom and I love how it looks. So of course I bought a few ornaments and I was like, you know what, it needs some more. So I decided to make some and I love how these came out. Now keep in mind, you guys can do any color that you guys want. You guys can do any design that you guys want. It doesn't matter. Make it your own and please feel free to tag me in pictures on Instagram when you guys recreate these, because some of you guys did that with your makeup brush holders and I love them. The Gryffindor one, I know someone recreated that one. So, you know, like I said, always tag me. I'm always active on my social media. So let me cut all this chit chat and let's get right into this video. Today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below. And like I said before, if you guys do decide to recreate any of these DIYs, please feel free to tag me in pictures on Facebook, Instagram, snap them or tweet them to me because I do have all of that social media. It will be linked down below in the description box. And until next time, I hope that you guys all have a happy and safe Thanksgiving and eat a lot of food, guys, because I will be doing the same thing. And shop a lot on Black Friday if you guys are one of those people. I already did mine online, so that will be a haul video coming next week. So stay tuned for that because it is pretty magical and I'm pretty excited for that. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.